Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. I recently got this Moen 5 series bidet model EB2000 from Costco. You may check out the product link in the comment section below. This bidet features tankless design with heated water, heated seat, stainless steel nozzle, warm air dryer, and wireless remote control. Now let me unbox it and take a look. To prepare the installation, you need to make sure there is a nearby grounded outlet. Measure the size of your toilet seat to make sure it's within the recommended size. Turn off the water valve. Drain the water from the tank. And remove the original toilet seat. Here is how to assemble the mounting bracket. Install the rubber nuts. It's a bit hard to put it through, so you may try to wet it first. Or you may try to put it upside down. Place the fixed card to gauge the position of the bracket. Fold the tabs to make sure they don't touch the rim of the toilet bowl. The tabs are an estimation of where the wash dryer will be when the actual bidet is installed. Install the mounting bracket. Slide the bidet seat to the mounting bracket. Prepare the T-valve and connection hose. Install the T-valve. Connecting the hose to the bidet seat. Connect the power. You can hear the bidet start working. Now let's pair the remote. Unplug the bidet. Hold the stop button at the remote till the lights start to blink. Place the remote near the bidet seat and plug the power back on. Wait till the lights stop blinking. Now the remote is paired. Now let's check out the functions. The HC massage function makes the washing water alternates between hot and cold. Press the night light button to turn on or off the night light. Press the nozzle clean button to show the nozzle for manual cleaning. Press the temperature buttons to set your desired temperature. You may set it to off, low, medium, and high heat. Press the dryer button to turn on the air dryer. Press the automatic clean button to start an automatic rear wash cycle, then followed by a drying cycle. Press the feminine wash button to start a front wash. Press the button again to stop the nozzle oscillation. You may adjust the position level and water pressure level. There are 5 position levels and 5 water pressure levels. At the high water pressure level, there is air mixed into the water jet. Press the posterior wash button to start a rear wash. Press it again to stop the nozzle oscillation. The lid is soft close. Some online review complains about the loud beep when the bidet is activated. This can be deactivated by holding the HC massage button and the automatic wash button together for 3 seconds. Here are my final thoughts of the bidet seat. Pros: tankless design, stainless steel nozzle, easy to install. Cons: at high water pressure level, there is air mixed with the water jet. No memory setting for the nozzle position. Overall, the Moen 5 Series Bidet EB2000 model is a middle-level bidet that comes with great features and slick design. The only problem I found was the mixing air in water jet at the high water pressure setting. But this could be due to low house water pressure and water flow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!